It's a combination of two words from kapatid na Tagalog and patik na Bisaya, and then we combine it kapatid, and then we define it as brotherhood in Tatuig. So muna siya ang meaning ana. So we did this international convention, the World Tattoo Convention, because for you to know, or for some who doesn't have an idea regarding this industry, daghan kayong mga tattoo artists diri sa ato ang region. As in daghan yun, you cannot imagine. So these guys are joining international events, not only in Asia, Singapore, Japan, Malaysia, Korea. They also go out of the country in Europe or in other Western countries. So that's why we decided, di ba? Pwede man gihapon ta magkaroon ng mga ingani na class na kind of convention. That's why Kapatid 2024 was made last year for this industry, but not only for the tattoo artists, because as we showcase the first Kapatid, we come to other department of government, local governments like sa tourism, and we invited them, and then they were happy to accept us too, since we are involved into inviting foreigners, diba? So this is somehow makatabang sa atong tourism, diba? Because Cebu, as we all know, especially sa region, we have all the best to entertain foreign people. So, that's another part of Kapatid, aside from the art side. About the art side of Kapatid, Cebu tattoo artists and other Filipino artists, a lot of tattoo artists na popular to the whole world. Basi na walang mong kabalo, anak, daghan kayo tag mga tattoo artists na nag-champion sa different parts of the world. As in, one of them will be our guest speaker katong karong umaabot na seminar on that day, on the first day. Champion sa I think siguro na sa mga 5 na countries sa Europe. Sagid ang nagdala sa bandila sa atong nasod. And then he will be coming over to join us and celebrate with us sa Kapatid World Tattoo Expo 2025.
Perfect.